Welcome back to Deluxe Motorsports. Today we are taking a look at a 2016 Dodge Ram 2500. This is a mega cab 6.7 diesel. This thing is a very nice, very clean truck. In love with the color of this truck. That paint sparkles right back at you in the sunlight. Got, I think, either a 3 or a 6-inch kit on it. I'm not 100% sure. It's got some 20x10 fuel rims on it, wrapped in some 35x1250 tires. Still got 80% tread on those tires. Still in very good shape. This truck has no rust while we're down here. Take a look at that. No rust. It's looking very clean. Take a look underneath. This truck is in very good condition. Body is in great condition, no major damages. Zero rust on the body, zero rust on the undercarriage. Take a look at that back here. It's got a soft top bed cover, so if you do a lot of traveling, throw the luggage back there. Everybody can hop in the mega cab, you'll have plenty of room. Take a look at the inside. One more thing, got a set of amp electric step rails. When you close the door, they tuck away. Don't even notice they're on the truck until you open the door. Interior of this truck is very clean. Has all the full options of a Bighorn package. Factory power options, big front screen, heated seats, factory exhaust brake, factory navigation, and tons more. The inside is still in amazing condition. No rips, no tears, no big stains. They are cloth seats. These are not leather seats, but they're in very good condition. Easily a 9 out of 10 on the interior. It's going to take you a little while to find even a little stain on the inside of this. Hop back here, you do got two nice little TVs. If you got kids doing car trips or something, you'll be able to turn something on for them to watch while you guys are up front hanging out. Interior of this truck's very good. Said got the rubberized floor mats right here. Make sure you keep the carpets in good condition. It is a mega cab, so if you haven't seen before, you do got some room back here to stow stuff away. It's like a little mini trunk area. You can hold a good bit of stuff back there. All right, we'll do a little startup for you guys. This truck is tuned and deleted. As you can see, the rotary switch is right there. We're going to take a look at this. Very nice truck. It sounds very good driving down the road. If you're looking for a mega cab or a Dodge Ram diesel truck, this would be the perfect truck for you. Fully loaded, got all the options. Come on and take a look at it before it's gone. is gonna be the perfect truck for somebody looking for the perfect price.